Hey construction warriors, ever feel like time and resources are slipping through the cracks? Let's talk about the magic wand called Lean Six Sigma in the realm of waste reduction. Step 1. Dig up the waste piles. Picture this. Lean Six Sigma acts as our waste detective, uncovering inefficiencies and making sure nothing valuable goes to the landfill. Step 2. Streamline workflows, cut the clutter. Imagine construction as an art form. Lean Six Sigma steps in, chiseling away excess steps, streamlining processes, and sculpting a masterpiece of efficiency. Step 3. Crew collaboration. The efficiency elixir construction is a team effort, and Lean Six Sigma is our efficiency catalyst. It fosters collaboration, ensuring everyone contributes to the masterpiece without overburdening resources. Step 4. Toast to resource conservation. Goals achieved? Break out the eco-friendly hard hats because with Lean Six Sigma, we celebrate a construction site where every resource is used with purpose. In the construction world, Lean Six Sigma isn't just a tool, it's our efficiency artisan, crafting a leaner and greener future. Ready to build with purpose?